Today we have solved full end-to-end friendly Sudoku solver problem. First I can import time here. Then I can write a function to print Sudoku before and after with arrows. This is the top, middle order and bottom order code. I can write it in order. Let us consider I can take an example here. I take a first to call top level and the second last to call bottom level and the middle is called middle level. This is why we can write these three steps here. Next I can give gap equal to 8. That means it can describe the before and after rows with the specific gap here. That's why I can write 8 here. Next I can write print Sudoku puzzle before solving. Why I can write this before and after rows separately here. Let us consider. I can take a bracket 1, 2, 3 rows and 3 columns here. Before the result pseudocode and after result pseudocode here. Let us consider before and after result in the pseudocode. Before and after you can consider. That's why we can write this step before and after row. Next I can give print bottom order plus gap plus bottom order distance. Now I can write the logic first. Sudoku solver functions. Def is valid board comma row comma column comma num. Here board stands for 9 to 9 boxes and row and column stands for check 3 by 3 box. Start row comma start column equal to row divided by 3 into 3 and similar way you can divide a column here. Do you understand why I can write row divided by 3 here? Let's take an example. 9 divided by 3 into 3. You know why we can write a row divided by 3 into 3? Now let's consider an example. 9 divided by 3 into 3. We get 9 scalar divided by 3. We get 3 as in output and 3 into 3 is 9. That means we can write row divided by 3 into 3 because we get 9 rows and 9 column values. Next we can write for C in range start column plus 3. Why we can write this one? Because of row columns equal to num. That means 1 to 9 equal to board of values. Then return false. Next we can solve this board. For row in range, for column in range, if board and column equal to 0, for num in range of 1, 10. That means the number should held in 1 to 9. That's why I can give for range of 1, 10. Next I can give board of row column equal to 0. Then we get return as false. Next to return false, then return true. If these all statements are true, then we will return the true statements. I can give an example here. Sudoku puzzle. This is a basic and it is my own pseudocode. This is the before pseudocode. Now I can import the copy statement here because the pseudocode is copy in my terminal. That's why I can import copy. Then I can write before solve equal to copy dot deep copy. In the deep copy I can write pseudocode puzzle. Then I can measure the solving time. How to measure solving time? I can use hours, minutes and seconds using start time function. Next I can write start preparation equal to time dot preference underscore counter. That's why we can solve the pseudocode puzzle. Next end time I can write as simple as possible hours, minutes, seconds. Before and after at the same time held. How to print the result? Simply we can use start time, end time and total time here. I can give 2f mean 2 frequency time. This is a complete end-to-end friendly Sudoku solver code in Python. Now let us run this code. See what happens with the result is. Look at this. We get the puzzle here. Pseudocode solver before and after. Start time equal to 6.66 and end time equal to 13. That means it can solve just 0.10 seconds. Look at here how is Python print this result. End to end, step by step, with a neat and clean explanation. You solve the pseudocode here. Complete here, it can solve each row by row and column by column values in just a frequency seconds time. Now let us change the pseudocode solver. In place of 4, I can give 5, and in place of 8, 6. I am not give 6 here because diagonal is not possible. I can give 4 here, and remaining 1 I can change to 7. Now let us run this code. See which result can be possible. Before I can run it, you can see. Now let us run this code. Look at this. This is also possible in pseudocode solver. The simple and easy code in Python 3, guys. So like this video is helpful to guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Take with guys. Bye.